When drilling deep in search of oil, you need an iron will. But even more essential is some way to stop a spill. It's not that every fancy rig is doomed to blow sky high, but when one does, it's nice to know an answer is nearby. Some piece of gear, some golden tool, some method tried and true to turn that oily sucker off and save the world from goo. The wisest know the way to go is horses first, then carts, which means you've got it figured out before the drilling starts. Instead of, say, the BP way, let's do it off the cuff, which mostly means your backup schemes are never quite enough. You try a dome, a hat, a kill, with golf balls, tires, and mud. You add a pump, you slice a pipe, and everyone's a dud. As barrels by the millions turn the Gulf a sickly brown, the days turn into weeks, then months. You still can't shut it down. Embarrassing? It's worse than that. Environmental hell. The marshes and the beaches tarred, that petro-poison smell, the fishes going belly up, the turtles short of air, the shrimp and crab and crawfish gone, destruction everywhere. And all the while the gush persists, new horrors with each drop, while folks who make their living there are crying, make it stop. But stop keeps floating out of reach. You'll do it if you can, but this was a complete surprise. It wasn't in your plan. So next time that you drill a hole a mile beneath the sea, perhaps you'll have your answers first. Be wise, be not BP.